Hello everyone, this is me Farid Fana, your guide, your friend in this channel, and welcome back with another video of Generative Fill of Photoshop Beta. I've selected this photo to understand well how Generative Fill works, how can we modify our images or photos or houses in Photoshop Beta. First of all, I need to do some changes in my house, not my house, the house I've selected to do or to apply Generative Fill on it. And what should we do first? Let's change the windows. I've selected all of them and let's click on Generative Fill. Let's give it the description, describe how we want our windows to be. Let me write modern windows with reflective glass. Let's generate it and let's see, will it work or not? Okay, so far it has done well, but not the way we want it. Let's change the variations. These are good, I think. Let's change the doors as well. Let's write no door. I guess I have given the wrong instruction. Let's try it. It doesn't look that bad. Let's delete this. Let's try just remove. Will it work? Let's see if it is that intelligent or not. Yeah, it is. This one looks nice. Okay, what else should we do? Let's remove this. Nice. And I want to change the color of my rooftop. Change the color, generate. Okay. I think it has picked the blue color from this section and these sections of my roof. Change it now. I think this one is fine. Let's do something else. I need a car here. Old red truck. Wow, that's good. Which one would you think I would pick? Is it third, second, or first? Obviously, the first one looks better to me. The tires are also flat. And next thing, I need a lake here. Lake. Wait. Okay, just write lake. What? Let's be more specific. If I increase or select more area, like this much, and then write water lake. Nope. No. I think yes. Can you see the reflection of the truck in the water? How it is upside down in the water, but normally in Photoshop, if we do it manually, we won't be able to do or to create something like this. Write funny things, be more creative, and let's see, can Generative Fill approach to you or keep up to you or not? This is something it gave me. Let's see the variations. The second one, the third one. Nope, it's not the thing I want. What should we write? An old man doing yoga. Okay. Nope. Not what I wanted. Let's write something else. Barbecue. Too big, too big, still too big. Wide dining table with chairs. Let's stick with this one. Next thing I want, flying airplane here. No, no, no. Flying Superman coming down to the truck. I hope they do not generate truck in the middle of the sky. Okay, it's not Superman. It looks more like Superwoman. No, no, nothing. Let's write Spider-Man. Oh, let's avoid all the superhero things and write flying birds. That could be logical. Okay, 1, 2. This is fine. We can stick with that. 2 things you need to take care of while you're using Generative Fill. First of all, you need to be more specific with your descriptions. You guys saw the way I was describing it with 1 or 2 words, it was generating funny things. And the way we were trying to give funny descriptions, and it was giving us funnier results. So be more realistic, be more specific. And the second thing, while we were selecting windows and doors, my selection was a little bit more than the specific areas of windows because it was a little bit expanded. My selection was expanded. So be more specific with your selections as well if you are selecting your doors, your windows, or changing them so they do not generate bigger windows. Right now they generated bigger windows. Why? Because I have selected bigger area for the windows. So this is how your Generative Fill works with your house editing or house changing things. The truck thing is very good. I know the tires are not good, and also this section of the truck is, I don't know if it is damaged or what, but it works. So try to be more creative with your Generative Fill. Be more creative and share your work with us, and let's see who did it very well.